This is crazy, guys. Troy-bilt says to change the oil, their website, their video, says to take your dipstick out and suck it out with a tube and siphon it. That's just crazy, dude. First of all, how are you going to get sludge out of the bottom out and just let it siphon? When they give you a plug right here, this is your oil drain. Why would they tell you to? I'm going to show you how to do it. Okay, guys, there's your drain plug and a washer. Just put you a piece of cardboard over top of a small pan, and it's that simple. It doesn't take long. There's not much oil in there. It's only like half a quart. Now we're drained and took 2-3 minutes. The simplest option is just, if you want to clean your deck up, is just to pull the plug out. This is a 10 millimeter. So just a 10 millimeter ratchet. So 10 millimeter. But there's a hole right here in your deck, right there, okay? You can pull that oil plug out, and all that oil will run right under here, and you just put you a small pan. Remember, it's only like half a quart. It'll run out that hole down below, but then you're gonna have to wipe up the mess. That's why I didn't want to do it. All I got is this little bit of oil right here to clean up. The 10 millimeter, it's so simple. Why go to all the trouble of trying to siphon it out when all you gotta do is pull a 10 millimeter plug out, let it drain, put it back in, fill it back up. Okay, if you roll it over on this side, you won't have any oil go into the carburetor. Carburetor and everything is on the left side in the air filter. And if you're also worried about hydro-locking one, what you want to do is you want to pull your cord. You're going to feel it's easy, and then it'll get really hard, and that's full compression, that's top dead center, and both valves are closed. And when it gets hard to pull, like right now, it's at top dead center, so the valves are closed and the cylinder cannot fill up with any kind of oil. Just run a few strokes till you feel really hard to pull and leave it there when you change the oil. Now at this point, we're looking at the blade. And we got, this is going to take me a long time to sharpen because we got some big old nicks in it. And you know what? It's cheaper just to go buy a new blade, because with missing metal here and sharpen it with a hand file or grinder, it's going to take me a long time. So we're just going to replace it. You can get them for under 20 bucks. Okay, I put a jam a 2x4 right there, and there's nowhere, some lawnmowers you can find something, so I just put my foot right here with my whole weight on it, 16 millimeter, break it loose. You should always disconnect your spark plug. I never do, but don't do as I say, do it. Okay, just like that. That right there is why I'm replacing it, because there's no way that I can file that out. It's going to be unbalanced as it is because of that right now. The other side's not too bad, but Real King was $5 cheaper. Oh well. It's not worth $5 in gas.